Hi and welcome to this intro video to how to use Video Engage to get buttons into your videos. So we start by visiting the Video Engage site, videoengage.net, and what we can do here is to see one of the open examples, and I guess you've seen that before. And what we want to do is to possibly log out and log in using Facebook maybe, and then we get our email address. We don't do anything with Facebook, so it's totally safe for you to connect with Facebook. It's just a practical way for you to not needing a new password or user handle. So, and then we can start to design interactive videos. So this is how it looks. You have no videos currently, but let's create one. So that's the your project, and we're gonna design this video. So I'm gonna give my project a name, my getting started. Okay, and basically we will need some videos to reference, and we have none, so we need to go to manage. I'm just going to save that name and then go to manage videos. So what I'm supposed to do is find the number from YouTube from a video that I want to use. So these could be your videos that you have uploaded beforehand, or it could be anyone's videos really. So because we don't copy the video, we just use the video on YouTube, so it's really non-intrusive. So let's find some videos on YouTube. So I open another tab and go to what we have here. Let's see, cat on memory foam. Why not? So I'll take that number there and paste that one into here, and then I say cat on foam. So now I have one video to work with. That's enough, but maybe we should add another one just to make this a complete example. So let's take another one. Hilarious cat fails. Oh, how I train my cats. And then this was commercialized, which is fine. Just gonna need to wait for the ad to end. Okay, come on. And there we have it. Yeah, I actually didn't need to wait on that. I could have just grabbed the identity directly. So that's one trained cat, I guess. Yeah. So now I have two videos to work with. I'm gonna pick the cat on foam. So here's the cat on foam. That's okay. And the sections. So your project should have several sections to jump between. So I'm going to add one section to start with. So this is section 0, and then I'm going to call it initial. And then when I play this video, let's go again. I'm going to choose this section. It's going to use the cat on phone video, and it's going to start, let's say it's starting there at 3.7 seconds, and then it ends here at 9.71 seconds. And once you have run the initial sequence where the sound is on in your clip, you will want to have a pause to enable the user that's using your interactive video to have a chance to react to what he or she should do. So we're going to have a pause from, let's say, 10 to 12 seconds. I'm not sure what that would be, but I'm going to save this, and we should be able to, if I switch here and go back to this, it will start again, and it starts at and then it ends up in my pause, which is between 10 and 12, and then we see it's just looping here. So what I can do with this section, let's do another section to make this easier to follow. So I'm going to use the other video, the train cat, and I'm going to grab start time from there and stop time from there, and then maybe loop from 10 to 12 as well. And that's the train cat. So now I have two sections. The sections can actually use the same video if I want. It's just for this example that I have two videos. And switching to the first section again, I can mark this section as being the start, and then this is the starter video. So this is what will happen first when someone tries to access your video. And then we can add buttons to this one. So I'm entering a button, adding a button, and I can place that button wherever I want in the video. Let's place it over here. And what should that button do? That's what I control down here. So want to see a trained cat, question mark. So that's my button, and when that one is clicked, I want to jump to the train cat, and I can choose some styling on the button. Let's make this orange like that. And whenever I want to show it during the play part, the initial part from 3.7 seconds to 9.71, or do I only want to show it during the pause section from 10 to 12? Let's do it only during the pause. So I'm going to check that one off, turn that off. And these are settings to delay. So if I'm choosing during play, I might want to not initially show it, but after 5 seconds. So or something like that. I can say 5 seconds then there. And also if the loops just goes on and on because the user has left the building or something, we can auto click, or the user is really indecisive. So that's what that's for. But actually we have done enough now to watch this video. So what we get then is the video engage project showing up like this. And we see the cat, nothing happens, and then it ends up in the loop, and we want to see a trained cat. So yeah, I want to see a trained cat, and then we get to this one. Okay, cool. But from here we don't really get anywhere because this will just stand and loop here. So that might not be ideal. We might want to, from the train cat, add another button to and on that button we say want to see cat on foam. So want to see cat on foam, and what's going to happen if we do that one yellow and say that it will jump to the other section, which we call initial CAD on foam. Right, so that's cool. That will jump back, and let's place that one over here. And just for example, we're gonna do a green button, and that's gonna say want to jump to videoengage.net ? And I'm gonna leave that one blank. So this was totally wrong. This is where the URL is going. That text should go up here in the button, and then I'm gonna do like copy this one and put that one here. Okay, so I'm gonna save that. No, I'm gonna have that one over here maybe. I'm gonna save that. And suppose we want to share our video, we can either copy this URL and send it to someone, or we could iframe it into our site to show things. Let's get this one and put it here, and it will start our cat video. Want to see a cat on foam? Yeah. So here's the cat on foam, and that one will end up in want to see train cat, and want to jump to video engage. Yeah, and then we're back here. So it's really up to you how you want to section the buttons and the videos. And of course, if you do your own training videos, this would be a great way to get more information by jumping to some site, or linking to another video to get the in-deep information. All right. So are there anything else that I need to tell you about Video Engage? Well, you see in the Video Engage videos, we have this banner up here, make YouTube interactive by Video Engage. And when you click that one, you also jump to Video Engage. And of course, you don't want that one on your, if it's a commercial video, you're selling something, or it's a training video that you're serious about, you might want to remove this. And how do you do that? So if you can upgrade your video to the paid plan. So the paid plan is basically that you pay the amount, and this is the beta amount. It will be about 20 euros, and then you just pay that amount with a debit or PayPal, just filling in the details, and all this is controlled by PayPal, and we don't store any credit card stuff on our service or anything like that. And once you have that, the main difference that you will see immediately is that this marker is gone. But what happens behind the scenes is also that all the unique clicks and how users interact with your video and navigate and jump back and forth between clips will be tracked as well, so you can get to that data. So cool. See you later.